Good day everyone, welcome back to the English channel. In today's lesson we are going through the ailments and symptoms. And we also have a special guest. Mr. D is coming to join us to answer me questions today. Let's get started. Hi D, how are you doing?
I'm great today.
Alright, so are you ready to answer me questions?
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright, so first, how do you say cough?
Cough.
Can you repeat it?
Cough.
Alright, thank you. And how do you say contour?
Rush.
Say it again.
Rush.
Lovely. And how do you say contour or more?
We call it itchy rush.
Say it again.
Itchy rush.
Nice. And how do you say សត្វល្អិតទិចឬខំ?
Insect bite.
Say it again.
Insect bite.
Great. How do you say រលាកកម្ដៅថ្ងៃ?
Sunburn.
Can you repeat it?
Sunburn.
Great. How do you say ជាប់ក?
Stiff neck.
Can you repeat it?
Stiff neck.
Thanks. How do you say ហៀសម្បោរ?
Running nose.
Can you repeat it?
Running nose.
How do you say វិលមុខ?
Dizziness.
Say it again.
Dizziness.
Great. And how do you say ធ្មេញប្រហោងឬដង្កូវស៊ី?
Cavity.
Can you repeat it?
Cavity.
Great. Thanks. Okay, so this is the easiest one. How do you say ត្អែក?
Hiccup.
Can you repeat it?
Hiccup.
Lovely. Okay, then how do you say ឈឺក្បាល?
Headache.
Repeat it.
Headache.
And how do you say រមួលក្រពើ?
Cramp.
Can you repeat it?
Cramp.
Okay, and how do you say ឈឺពោះពេលមានរដូវ?
Cramps.
Again?
Cramps.
Great. And how do you say rhea in English?
Diarrhea.
Can you please repeat it?
Diarrhea.
Thanks. How do you say ចុកឬឈឺទ្រូង?
Chest pain.
Can you repeat it?
Chest pain.
How do you say ឈឺត្រចៀក?
Earache.
Can you repeat it?
Earache.
How do you say ឈឺក្រពះ?
Stomach ache.
Can you repeat it?
Stomach ache.
How do you say ឈឺក?
Sore throat.
Again?
Sore throat.
Lovely. How do you say គ្រុនក្តៅ?
Fever.
Can you repeat it?
Fever.
Nice. And last question, how do you say ផ្ដាសាយ?
Cold.
Can you repeat it?
Cold.
Good job. Thanks D for coming.
My pleasure.
Bye.
Bye bye.